Remove the radio, CD player, and also cluster for Honda Civic 2007, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and the Phillips screwdriver and the socket size 8mm. The first step, you take the cover off underneath the radio in front of the shifter. Just pop it out, and there are two 8mm bolts, which they are Phillips also. You take those, one on the passenger side and then one on the driver's side. They are like vertical almost. You remove those two out, and then you drop the panel under the steering wheel column. It doesn't have any screws. By the way, we already made everything loose though. This is just for these are the clips. So when you insert your dashboard removal tool, you just apply it where these clips are, and you just pop it out. And then there is one screw on the driver's side. It's right here. On the driver's side, you get the screws out. Then you can remove the cover for the whole cluster. You just pop it out. It doesn't have any screws. And once you get it out, you just need to unplug it for the light switch. It's a little bit, you have to jiggle it to get it out, and also when you put it back, you have to jiggle it in order to get it in. And these are the connectors which you need to disconnect. And if you need to remove the cluster, there's only 3 Phillips screws. You can just remove the 3 screws and then remove the cluster. And now to remove the radio, you just pop the panel around the radio with the AC control. And that's it. And these are the connector on the back. And then you just disconnect the AC panel connector also. And these are all the connectors. And the most common problem with these units, the display goes out or the single CD goes bad. And if you need any repair, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.